Okay, today I wanted to do another little tip and trick. This is a Dell Tower, and I had a question that somebody wanted to know: how to change the memory stick. And it's something that's not really hard for anybody to do. Any standard user would be able to. And you can see this right here is your memory stick. And you got one tab on this side, and you got another tab on the other side. And I got two empty slots here if I wanted to add another stick. Well, all you have to do is press them back and lift up. Now, they got this notch here and a notch on the side here, and you have to line those up inside. They have a little notch in the middle, and you might be able to see. You have to line those up and make sure they will go in. And basically, it's just kind of a snap thing. And that's all you have to do to install your memory. Now, if you're wondering what kind of memory you need to have, I'm going to include a link into the video for you to download this program. It's kind of neat, and you can go through and find what kind of memory you have, and from there on you can buy the memory stick, and it would also tell you how much memory you can put in the computer. Some of them will only allow up to 4, some can allow up to 2 gig, 4 gig, 6 gig, 8 gig. I know there's bigger out there on the market yet. I'm not really in the loop anymore about that. But to change your memory stick, it's just pushing back the slot on both sides. It's not that hard to do. So if you're having memory problems, you want to add more memory, that's all you have to do. It's so simple, anybody can do it. Just make sure your holes are lined up, and it'll just snap in. So that's it. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.